Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be sharing with you all what you can do with peel plantain, unripe peel plantain. So many people throw away their unripe peel plantain after cutting it out, after getting the main fruits. But in this video I'll be sharing with you all the value of this unripe peel plantain, what it can be done, what it can be used for, and how beneficial is it for human health, both children, adults, men, women, and even pregnant women. Yeah, you heard me right. I said even pregnant women. So firstly, what you have to do is wash it thoroughly with sponge, water. Make sure you wash out all the dirty in the plantain, in the back of the plantain. Wash it out, wash out the sand, any dirt, because you'll be drinking this. This is what we are preparing the back, so you have to make sure it's very clean, it's very washed. You can wash it with sponge, anything that you know that you can scrub it with. You can also use your hand depending, but I would prefer you using the sponge to wash it. Okay, so after washing it, you just have to cut it out from the stem, and this stem you are cutting it out from, you're not going to throw it away. You're going to reserve it, because there's also a nutrient like this thing you are seeing now. You keep it aside. You're going to be using it later. As we watch the video and watch what I'm doing, and before I continue what I want to say, important fact about unripe peel plantain. If you're opening, it's not that there's some difficulty when it comes to peeling the plantain, because it's still ripe, it's still unripe. So you have to on the water. Then either you soak it in water or you make space like I'm doing in this video. Then after making the space, when you want to peel it out, you have to on the tap water down, so that you allow the water to touch this place. You are giving the line there, I'm giving the line. You allow the water to be touching it. That will soften it to be able to peel on time. So that, with that being said, these are the benefits of unripe plantain. Unripe plantain is good for diabetes, high blood pressure. If you also want to lose weight, drinking this is also very, 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 very beneficial. It's also very good for weight loss journey. And if you are pregnant, you can also use this. You can drink this. It's not restricted for pregnant women. You can drink this if you are pregnant. And also, if your menses is not regular, you are telling me that your menstruation is not regular. Maybe see your menstruation this month, next month you did not see it, or it did not flow well, or it's flowing like 1 week, you are still seeing your menses. No. If we taking this frequently is helpful. It's like in your body, you even know that you are taking something that is very, very herb. It's medicine on its own. It's going to heal your womb. It's going to make you to have regular menstruation. And guys, it will also help your ovulation. If you are this lady that have been looking for child, you want to give birth, like to help boost your ovulation, you help you to conceive. If you are taking it frequently, and also watching what you are eating when taking this is very helpful. This is very helpful and also beneficial to women and both men. Men can also take this. If your BP is rising, you're having blood pressure, you are feeling a pain, maybe your stomach is, having stomach ache, you can take this, and this is beneficial to both female, male, children, and even pregnant women. You can take this. So guys, this is basically what I do. As you can see, I'm putting in the water. I on the tap to put the water directly to the line I make to enable me peel this thing. You are seeing, to peel out is faster, so that if I did not use this method of peeling it, like on the water to touch the plantain stem, it will be hard. It will be difficult to bring out the stem, the peel. So when you are doing it, try this method so it will be more faster for you to do. There's a lot plantain can do for you. There's a lot of way to consume plantain. You can either turn plantain to flour, you can either fry plantain, turn it to plantain cheese, you can either boil it, bake it. There's a lot of benefit of plantain, but plantain is not only for doing like cooking, boiling. You can also use it like as medicine, as herb. So this is basically what I'm teaching you in this video. This method is very, very effective. Like, there's a result. I have used it, people I know have used it, even a subscriber have used it, and it's working for them. It's working for many people, and is very, very beneficial. You just have to know your diet, know what to eat, not just go eat anyhow. If you want to lose weight, you have to add this to your routine, add this to your diet, and you will thank me later, guys. This is very, very beneficial. Like, I have a mom that is diabetes. I cook it for her every morning, every weekend, and her blood pressure, her BP, everything is normalized because of the helpful of this plantain paste. So basically what I'm going to do now is you have to get a deep pot, as you can see in the video, something deep. Then put in your peeled plantain. You wash it thoroughly, wash inside the pot. Make sure there is no oil in the pot. Make sure the pot is very clean. Then you put in the peeled plantain you cut out earlier. You put in water. And also these ones, that the plantain itself, you have to slice a bit inside, like you're going to see soon. I'm going to slice some of them inside, but you won't be slicing all. The main focus of this video is the unripe plantain peel. That is what we are using today for this video, is the unripe plantain peel. But in essence, this is what the thing is to tell you not to throw away this thing, the plantain stem. We are going to add it into the pot now. Yes, we are going to add it into the pot now. It's very, like, it serves as is the main cocoa, like the main point. Like, this has a lot of benefit, a lot of nutrient, a lot of, like, name it. Then you have to now cut these ones in. Not all, you can cut like 3 pieces of plantain, 3 or 4, depending on how many you cut out, and the rest you're going to see what I'm going to use it to do at the end of this video. So make sure you watch to the end of this video to get the final results and the final look of what you're seeing. Don't skip, because if you skip the video, you'll not be able to hear how I'm explaining it, how I'm telling you do it. So just watch to the end, and as you are watching, comment down if you have tried this out before, if it have helped you, if there's also another way of preparing this. My audience, people in the comment, people that love to listen, will be here to hear from you. So with that being said, guys, let me allow you all to enjoy the rest of the video, to watch the rest of the video. Okay, so see you soon. So guys, I'm going to be having it with plantain and egg. These are some of the plantain that are human. Well, guys, this is yummy. This is my juice. So guys, please give it a try. I promise you, you will love it. You will thank me later. Okay? So we are going to, I'm quickly going to enjoy my plantain. Okay? That being said, thanks for watching. And guys, if you have watched up to now, you find this valuable, you learn one or two from this, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. Okay, and with that being said, if you also have any other method on how you can do this, please comment on the comment section. Or if you have tried it out before and you see results, also comment on the comment section. Okay, so love you all.